Okay, I'm opening my door. The driveway was like plowed a little while ago. Well, yesterday. But that's not even a good picture of how snowy it is. Because things were shoveled and plowed in my driveway. Hold on one sec. Okay. I wish I could take a video of earlier when the plow didn't go by and everything, but yeah. That's how much snow we have. I don't know if you can't really see it blizzarding out right now. Kinda blizzarding? Hold on. Woo! Parker? Here, I'll go off my balcony. So this is like look, I can't even open my screen because the snow's like built up to it. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and doesn't look like it's snowing a whole lot on here, but it's snowing a lot. So yeah, that's our snow.